How to connect Claude to PowerPoint. What if Claude could read your PowerPoint template, match your brand colors and fonts, and build fully formatted professional slides just by describing what you need in plain language? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to connect Claude to PowerPoint step by step using Anthropic's official add-in, so you can start building presentations faster than ever before. Claude for PowerPoint is Anthropic's official Microsoft add-in, released on February 5, 2026. As of May 7, 2026, it is generally available to all paid Claude plan subscribers via the Microsoft Marketplace. It is available on Max, Team, and Enterprise plans and is not yet included in the Pro plan. Let us get into the setup right now. Step 1. Make sure you have a compatible paid Claude subscription. Claude for PowerPoint is currently available only on Max at $100 per month, Team, and Enterprise plans. If you are on the Pro plan, you will need to upgrade before you can access this feature. Step 2. Go to the Microsoft Marketplace. Go to the Claude for PowerPoint listing on Microsoft AppSource and select Get It Now to install the add-in. You can find it by searching for Claude by Anthropic for PowerPoint directly in the Marketplace search bar. Step 3. Open PowerPoint and activate the add-in. Open PowerPoint, activate the add-in, and sign in with your Claude account. When you first open the Claude sidebar, you will be prompted to sign in. This securely connects the add-in to your Claude account and lets the AI work within your PowerPoint environment. Step 4. Open your presentation template. The add-in reads the content of the presentation you currently have open, including slides, text, shapes, and slide master information, so the slides it generates stay consistent with your design. Always open your branded template before giving Claude any instructions so it understands your colors, fonts, and layouts from the start. Step 5. Start giving Claude instructions in the sidebar. Select the slides you want to work with and give Claude a prompt describing what you want it to do. For example, you could type, "Create a market sizing section with TAM, SAM, and SOM," or "Populate this management report template for Q2 2026. Claude sits natively in PowerPoint's sidebar and generates fully editable PowerPoint elements including real text boxes, real charts, and real shapes, not screenshots or images of slides. This means everything Claude produces can be directly edited by you after generation. Step 6. Use connectors to pull in live data. Claude for PowerPoint supports connectors for pulling external context into your deck. MCP connectors allow Claude to fetch, transform, and insert live data directly into your PowerPoint slides without leaving the application. To connect a tool, open the Claude sidebar and select the connectors icon to see your available options. Step 7. Set up persistent instructions for your brand. Open Settings in the add-in sidebar and use the Instructions field to set preferences that apply to every conversation in PowerPoint. Instructions are useful for brand guidelines such as always use one-line bullets, or use the blue accent color for highlights, preferred slide structure, or recurring context about your workflow. One important security note. An important risk for users of Claude for PowerPoint is prompt injection attacks that hide malicious instructions in file content to trick AI models into taking unintended actions. For example, a seemingly innocent template or data file received from an external party might contain hidden instructions to export all financial data to an external URL. Always be cautious about opening templates or data files from unknown sources inside the add-in. Now here is your pro tip. Claude reads the slide master and typically achieves around 85 to 90% first-pass accuracy with PowerPoint templates. However, custom layouts such as chevron processes or Harvey Ball frameworks may require specifying the exact layout in the prompt so Claude understands the template context correctly. The more specific you are about your layout and design expectations up front, the better and more accurate your generated slides will be on the first attempt. So to recap, confirm you have a Max, Team, or Enterprise plan, install the add-in from Microsoft AppSource, open PowerPoint and sign in with your Claude account, open your branded template. Describe what you need in the sidebar, use connectors to pull in live data, and set up brand instructions in settings so Claude follows your guidelines automatically every time. If this video helped you connect Claude to PowerPoint, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI productivity guides. And drop a comment below telling me what kind of presentations you are going to build with Claude. See you in the next one.